So we've all been there, it's raining outside and you'd like to clean your seats. Our solution is to remove your seats and bring them inside so you can clean them in the comfort of your own home, or work in my case. As you can see, I've removed the seats, great difficulty, and the door cards. My plan is to give them a good scrub, because if you look at the driver's seat where Jake normally sits, there's loads of bum juice on it. Very, very dirty. Anyway, so I'm going to be using this. It's AutoGlym Interior Shampoo. Apparently it's good according to Jake. However, I seem to be the one doing it. I think I've got the short end of the straw. Anyway, let's get cracking. So the first step, if you've not already gathered, is to hoover the things.
So if you like me and absolutely hate the sound of hoovers, then you will be glad to know I'm going to skip through all of this footage of hoovering.
Our plan is, or shall I say, Jake's plan, and I have to do it. We're going to use this. It's the interior shampoo from AutoGlym. Never used it before. Apparently it's good. I don't know. Let's see how we get on. So the idea behind this is you spray it on, you agitate with a sponge, and then it's meant to work some magic and become clean.
At this point, I'm beginning to think it's impossible to make a car seat cleaning video interesting, let alone 10 minutes.
To be honest, I'm not sure it's actually done a thing. Maybe it'll dry better than it looks now. It smells cleaner. So the AutoGlym Interior Shampoo was £6.40 off Amazon, and I got 3 sponges from the infamous Poundland. All in all, I don't think they've come up too bad. However, I do think warm soapy water would have done the same job, and spending £6 on this AutoGlym stuff is a waste of money. It does smell nice though, so that's one thing. But I've said that. The door cards themselves have come up quite nice. Pity the rest of the car is a mess. Maybe I'll get around to cleaning that eventually. Not the most exciting video. At the minute we're still buying parts. We're doing the steering rack on the E30 soon. We're just waiting on... Actually we've got everything, we just need some time to do it. We also need to buy the control arms, as ours are knackered. So as I think someone's going to moan about there not being enough footage for this edit, I'm not surprised as it's cleaning a seat. However, in upcoming videos we are doing the steering rack. We're putting a purple tag E46 rack in the E30. So the tie rods came. Very tasty. New power steering. Reservoir. As ours leaks. And the inner tie rods. Gives you an idea. As we're going for the E46 rack, you need the E46 inner rods paired with the E36 outer. Coming soon!